What would you do if you lost access to every single SEO tool you paid for and had a client deadline the next day? This is a nightmare scenario that ideally should happen to no one. But if you find yourself in this boat for one reason or another, I'm going to show you some free tools that use real data and can actually deliver results, even if you're competing against people with premium subscriptions. So let's start with a suite of 5 free tools from Exploding Topics. What I like about these is they all pull data from Semrush, which contains one of the largest and most accurate databases of keywords, backlinks, and SEO data out there. So you're getting quality information without paying for a Semrush subscription. Let's start with the keyword research tool. You just enter a seed keyword, hit enter, and boom! You get 20 solid keyword ideas with actual data. We're talking exact search volume, keyword difficulty scores, cost per click, number of search results, and even search trends. The best part is that there's no sign-up required. You can just go to explodingtopics.com and use it. Now, here's my strategy with this tool. I look for keywords with low difficulty. Those show up with a green icon, but that still have a decent search volume. That's your sweet spot. Those are the opportunities where you can actually rank without needing a ton of backlinks. Also, pay attention to those search trend graphs. If you see something rising in popularity that your competitors haven't caught yet, that's gold. Writing about emerging topics before everyone else jumps on them is honestly one of the most powerful SEO strategies out there. Okay, so once you've found some keywords you like, the next step is using the Keyword Difficulty Checker. This tool goes deeper than just giving you a difficulty number. It shows you what pages are actually ranking in the top positions for that keyword. You get to see their authority score, their referring domains, their backlinks, their search traffic, basically everything you need to know to decide if you can compete. Here's how I use this. I'll take words from the research tool that look promising, and then I run them through the difficulty checker. If I see that the top ranking pages have insanely high authority scores and thousands of backlinks, I know I need to either build links first or pick a different keyword. But if I see some lower authority pages ranking up there, that tells me that there's a real opportunity. I also look at the search traffic numbers because that shows me what I could potentially gain if I rank well for that keyword. Now, once you have content that's ranking, you need to track it. And that's where the Keyword Rank Checker comes in. You enter your domain, and it shows you your best performing keywords, what position you're ranking in, and what percentage of your traffic each keyword is driving. This is super helpful when you're trying to figure out which pages to update first, especially after a Google update hits. Now let's talk about backlinks because they are huge for ranking. The free Backlink Checker shows you your authority score, total referring domains, total backlinks, and your strongest links. But here's the thing. Don't just check your own backlinks. Check your competitors' backlinks too. You can see what anchor text they're using, where their best links are coming from, and that gives you ideas for topics that might attract backlinks or sites you could potentially reach out to. Speaking of competitors, their competitor analysis tool is pretty comprehensive for a free tool. It shows you how many keywords your competitors rank for, their estimated organic traffic, their top pages by traffic, and who their main competitors are. What I do with this is I look at which competitors are getting more traffic than me, and then I dig into their top pages. A lot of times, you'll discover topics they've covered that you haven't touched yet on your site. That's your gap fill. There's also a 12-month trend graph that shows referring domains and backlinks over time. If you see a competitor's backlink profile growing fast, that's a sign they're actively working on link building, and you probably need to step up your game too. But now let's talk about a few other tools that not only work really well, they're free. Google Search Console is essential. It's data straight from Google about your actual clicks, impressions, and rankings. I check it literally every day to see what's working and what's not. For trending topics, I'll be honest, Google Trends has a little bit too much noise for me. It's always showing celebrity news and sports stuff that's not really relevant. That's why I prefer Exploding Topics. It filters out the junk and shows you actual relevant trends in your niche. AlsoAsked is great for finding people also ask questions organized by search intent. It helps you create content that actually answers what people want to know. And if you need to check search results from different locations, the Nightwatch SEO Search Simulator Chrome extension is super handy. It bypasses browser personalization so you can see objective results from any region. Here's the bottom line. You don't always need expensive tools to do good SEO. What you need is to be resourceful and know where to find reliable data. Use keyword research tools to find opportunities, difficulty checkers to assess competition, competitor research to see what's working for others, and backlink analyzers to understand authority. Free tools have limitations, of course they do, but they can absolutely get you results, especially when you're just starting out or if you're working within a tight budget. Once you start gaining traction and have a budget, then yeah, premium tools will save you time. But until then, these free tools can absolutely get the job done. So now that you know how to master SEO with completely free tools, it's time to take it to the next level. Because AI has completely changed how search actually works in 2025. What if you could use AI-powered SEO tools to not only find keywords, but also predict emerging trends and even track how your brand appears in ChatGPT and other AI search engines? Be sure to check out our video on the 9 best AI SEO tools to discover which platform will future-proof your strategy, automate your optimizations, and give you an unbeatable edge in the era of AI search. You can find the link in the video description below. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can keep up with what's trending and get the inside scoop on the next big trend before everyone else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.